snowed a little bit earlier. We did some burgers tonight. Heating up the smoker. We're gonna turn it up to 250. Let it warm up. Bring the burgers on out. Put them on. These are about 1/3 pound burgers. We're gonna do them at 250 for probably 45 minutes to an hour. Towards the end, I'll show you something special that we do, and it sounds a little bit crazy, but they turn out really good. Check them in about 30-35 minutes, see where they're at. So I was going to show you the kitchen sauce that we use for these burgers, and this is ManKitchenRecipes, so we like to make things easy. And instead of making your own sauce with 50-60 different ingredients, there goes my light, we're just going to use Heinz 57. And I'll tell you what, you put this on there and you will love them. All right, we're going to flip them and get some sauce on them and let them go for about 10 more minutes. Put some cheese and onions and pull them on. Get a few. All right, secret sauce. Alright, my light keeps going out. Trust me on this. You make these, give it just enough little zest. We'll let this go about 10 minutes, then we'll add our onions, and then another 10 minutes. Throw some onion on there. Top of a couple of these. Not everybody wants onion, but man, are they good. And they're hot. Okay. Now we're going to top it with some pepper jack cheese. Got that Heinz 57 sets up a little bit. So, anyway, we'll do the cheese on all of them. Come back in about 5 minutes, take them off, build them, and enjoy them. Take time to take them off. Total run time was 45 minutes on these 1/3 pound burgers at 250 degrees. And look at those. They look wonderful. All right,